Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will share with you how to use the Polycom Pano app to retrieve and share your content from your cloud drive. The Pano app is available for a free download at polycom.com. Start the Polycom Pano app from the tool tray. From here, you can choose to start sharing your screen immediately with Pano, or if configured, you can access your OneDrive for Business by signing in with your network credentials. Once you've logged in, select the Polycom Pano in the room, enter the security passcode shown on the large monitor. From here, you can share your screen, individual applications, or items in the OneDrive. Select OneDrive, select your desired content, and it'll be shown on the Pano connected display. From here, you can stop content using the red stop button, or choose other content from the content tray. From the app, you can save any snapshots taken on Polycom Pano. These snapshots are saved to your local hard drive. You can also stop individual content streams or simply disconnect by pressing the red disconnect button. It's important to note that any content shared in the session will not be saved on the Pano device. An added benefit of casting from your OneDrive for Business account is the ability to control the content. To do this, press the arrow icon, and for example, start slideshow. Now from here, I can simply tap to advance my slides. Thank you, and please join me for other informational videos about Polycom Pano and Polycom Pano app.